Americans alone spent over $11 billion on teeth whitening, including over $1.4 billion on at-home whitening products. There are plenty of products to choose from when it comes to whitening your teeth. However, most whitening products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concerns many people. If you want whiter teeth but also want to avoid the chemicals, then this video is for you. What causes teeth to look yellow? There are multiple factors that cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright, white sparkle. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. However, sometimes teeth look yellow because the hard enamel has eroded away, revealing the dentin underneath. Dentin is a naturally yellow, bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel. Here are simple ways you can naturally whiten your teeth. 1. Brushing with baking soda. Baking soda can gently polish away stains on the surface of the teeth. Some people worry that baking soda is too harsh and may grind away enamel, but research from 2017 found it to be a safe way to remove stains. Baking soda may also help to fight bacteria, which suggests that it may be able to reduce plaque and prevent tooth decay. 2. Apple cider vinegar for white teeth. Apple cider vinegar contains mild acids that can remove the yellow stains from your teeth and make them whiter with usage. 3. Charcoal to whiten teeth. Activated charcoal absorbs impurities and whitens teeth effectively and quickly. It is also useful to prevent cavities and maintain teeth and gum health. 4. Take good care of your gums. Gums are the backdrop for your teeth, and if you're suffering from gingivitis, characterized by red, bleeding, receding or puffy gums, it can make your whole smile look unhealthy. Taking care of your gums lets your white teeth take center stage. Make sure to brush and floss twice a day. Use soft bristles rather than hard ones, as hard brushes can be too abrasive for sensitive gums and cause them to recede further. Brush gently, but thoroughly. 5. Invest in an electric toothbrush. Thanks to their vibrating heads, electric toothbrushes are able to remove more stains than a standard toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush can get your teeth a full shade whiter in just 1 week and improve gum health in 2 weeks. This charged-up brush is your best bet for scrubbing off surface stains, plus it comes in a sleek black color. 6. Whitening with fruit. Papain and bromelain, which are enzymes that occur in papayas and pineapples respectively, may both help to whiten teeth. A 2012 study trusted source found preliminary evidence that solutions containing these ingredients could offer modest whitening effects. 7. Salt and lemon for teeth whitening. The natural bleaching quality of lemon juice removes yellow stains from the teeth, and the salt acts as a gentle exfoliant. It scrubs away the stains that have built up on the teeth. 8. Neem for teeth whitening. Neem is a natural astringent and also a soothing agent. Its regular usage will ensure that your teeth and gums are healthy and without any stains. 9. Strawberries for teeth whitening. The acids, namely malic acid and ascorbic acid, present in strawberries lighten the teeth stains. With a few uses, you will see that your teeth have become whiter and brighter. There are several natural methods to help whiten your teeth. Most of these remedies work by gently removing surface stains on your teeth. However, most dentists offer whitening treatments that are much stronger than these natural remedies. They involve bleaching the teeth, which may be more effective for severe tooth discoloration. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.